News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Indian Air Force, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Rajasthan State Ganganagar Sugar Mills Limited, Defence Research Laboratory, HSCC India Limited, ICAR Indian Agricultural Research Institute, FALTA Special Economic Zone, National Institute of Technology Nagaland, and Central Passport Organization. Indian Air Force invites online applications from unmarried male Indian and Nepalese candidates for selection test. Application will be filled online by the candidates and detailed instructions to fill up the same are available at www.airmanselection.cdac.in and the same would be available on www.careerindianairforce.cdac.in. Candidates are to strictly follow the given instructions. This examination is valid for one intake or entry only. Online registration will close at 1700 hours on 7th February 2021. Online exam dates are 18th April 2021 to 22nd April 2021. A note of caution. Selection in the Indian Air Force is fair and transparent and on merit only. At no stage any bribe is required to be paid to anyone for selection or recruitment in the Indian Air Force. Candidates should not fall prey to unscrupulous persons posing as recruiting or selecting agents. Dear listeners, let's know about the objectives and mission of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan KVS before we discuss the vacancies. The objectives of KVS are to cater to the educational needs of the children of transferable central government employees including defence and paramilitary personnel by providing a common program of education and to pursue excellence and set pace in the field of school education. The Kendriya Vidyalayas have a fourfold mission which are to cater to the educational needs of children of transferable central government including defence and paramilitary personnel by providing a common program of education, to pursue excellence and set the pace in the field of school education, to initiate and promote experimentation and innovations in education in collaboration with other bodies like Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE and National Council of Educational Research and Training NCERT etc. and to develop the spirit of national integration and create a sense of Indianness among children. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Education, Government of India, invites applications for 8 posts of Deputy Commissioner through direct recruitment. Eligible candidates should submit their applications through proper channel only in the prescribed proforma to the concerned person latest by 8th February 2021. For more information, please visit the website kvsangathan.nic.in. Rajasthan State Ganganagar Sugar Mills Limited is a Rajasthan State Government PSU. Applications are invited to fill up the post of Assistant Distillery Chemist, Junior PA English and Laboratory Assistant. Prescribed general conditions, qualifications, remuneration and other information are available on the website rajxisweb/web/default.aspx. Aspiring candidate must apply online latest by 7th February 2021. Defence Research Laboratory, Defence Research and Development Organization invites applications from energetic and enthusiastic candidates with zeal to work at high altitude areas for 5 vacant posts of Junior Research Fellowship at Tejpur, Assam, initially for 2 years, which is extendable as per government rules and award. Number of vacancy may vary. Interested candidates must submit his or her biodata elaborating personal data, contact details and brief on educational and professional qualifications, etc. latest by 14th February 2021 at email ID drltezztc@gmail.com. HSCC India Limited is a premier multidisciplinary Mini Ratna profit-making company providing quality consultancy services and other social sectors for more than last 37 years. Applications are invited from dynamic and result-oriented professionals for appointment on contract or immediate absorption basis for its ongoing and future assignments. The company offers an informal work atmosphere and a compensation package matching with industry norms with good opportunities for professionals who are self-starters. 1 post of architecture EO level and 20 posts of executive assistant engineer in civil or electrical or mechanical, including 1 HH. For more details like educational qualifications, experience, relaxation, application procedure and other eligibility criteria, etc., please visit the career section of the website www.hsccltd.com. Last date for receipt of applications is 1st February 2021. ICAR Indian Agricultural Research Institute invites online applications for filling up temporary positions in ICAR CAB in project, ICAR Incentivizing Research Project and DBT projects running in the Division of Plant Physiology for the post of YP2, 1 SRF and 1 JRF. For details, please visit the website www.iari.res.in. The applications may be sent through email on or before 31st January 2021. FALTA Special Economic Zone, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, invites applications from eligible and willing candidates from central and state government or from PSU or autonomous bodies under central and state governments for filling up of the following vacancies in FALTA SEZ Kolkata and Mani Kanchan SEZ Kolkata under the jurisdiction of Development Commissioner FSEZ on deputation or cost recovery basis. 10 posts of Assistant Development Commissioner and 2 posts of Section Officer Accounts. Kindly refer to the detailed advertisement for brief of vacancies and place of posting. This is an open vacancy circular. The applications received by 30th of every month shall be considered for selection in the subsequent month for available vacancies. This process will continue till all the vacancies are filled up or up to 31st March 2021, whichever is earlier. Details are also available on the website www.fsez.gov.in. Next is a corrigendum issued by National Institute of Technology, Nagaland. Reference to advertisement dated 20th February 2020 inviting applications for the post of registrar on deputation basis, including short-term contract. It is to be informed that considering the prevailing situation in the country, the last date for the receipt of application for the post of registrar is further extended up to Tuesday, 2nd March 2021 till 1800 hours. Detailed advertisement is available in the Institute website www.nitnagaland.ac.in. The Central Passport Organization, a subordinate office of Ministry of External Affairs, invites application for the following posts from officers of the central government, state government and union territory administrations on deputation basis. 3 posts of passport officer at Bengaluru, Chennai and Ghaziabad and 13 posts of deputy passport officer at Cochin, Delhi, Guwahati, Jaipur, Kozhikode, Lucknow, Kolkata, Mumbai, Madurai, Nagpur, Pune, Ranchi and Visakhapatnam. The actual number of vacancy of passport officer and deputy passport officers under the respective passport office may increase or decrease due to administrative reasons. Last date of receipt of application in Ministry of External Affairs is 60 days from the date of publication of the circular in Employment News. For details, please visit the website www.passportindia.gov.in and www.mea.gov.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.